At the start of research and development projects, changes to the software process are often made manually. But what happens if these changes aren't documented? Or to put it another way, if it isn't documented, did it really happen? In gray mode, the system is controlled manually without recipe automation. Process values still appear in the trends and graphs, but no journal entries are generated. Yellow mode adds full traceability to manual operation. Every manual action is automatically documented with timestamp, user information, and process values. Comments can also be linked directly to specific process events and trend data for improved analysis and documentation. With SYSTAG automation, flexible manual process control can still remain fully transparent and traceable. If you would like to learn more, please visit our website or contact us directly at sales@systag.ca.